Welcome back! Welcome back to Theresa's Dead. My name is Theresa and I'm very much
Hams. Hi, how are ya?
I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Y'all, okay? Get out of here, BoxyCharm. Wait, I think I got my voice slightly back. I still kind of sound nasally,
So a little like French Russia.
but I feel so much better. And I feel like I have the energy to record, and this is amazing. And I can't wait to like share my thoughts on this BoxyCharm. But I just want to say hi. I missed you. I know videos this month have been a little like spare, and it's because, you know, between traveling and then getting sick at the end of May, like bloopity blop blop, but I'm here to stay as long as I don't get sick again. So expect a lot more videos, and just want to say thank you. Thank you for just being super supportive. A lot of people reached out and wondering if I was okay, and you're so sweet, and I love you, and I appreciate you, and I just want to say thank you. Just thank you. Like, I have an amazing, amazing community, and I couldn't be luckier. So I just, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for looking out for me and taking care of me. I really do love you. Now, let's talk about this thing, okay? So this is, we're coming in aggressive today. This is the BoxyCharm, I don't know, I think this is the premium box. If you don't know what this is, let me tell you a little bit about it. BoxyCharm Premium features 6 full-size beauty products for only $39.99 a month. Now you're able to pick, I think half the box. It's very similar to Ipsy. I don't remember what I picked because it was so long ago, so this is gonna be a surprise for both of us, but here we are. Let's hope that this is actually a proper June 2022 box. The first box I have received from them since, I don't know, taking a break for like a long time was something from May of 2021. So we went a little back in time, but I'm hoping that we'll be in the present. And I'm hoping that we're gonna have some good shit in this box. So, or was it April? I forget what the fuck it was. Anyway, let's open this bitch up. Ooh. Okay, so this month's theme is Express Yourself. This is kind of cute. Basically, it's just like a little, you know, flimsy little card that gives you all the products and how much they are, blah, 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 blah. So let's just kind of jump into it. Honestly, all these products, I really don't remember what I picked. I have no idea. But I'm actually pleasantly surprised with some of this shit. Let's start with this one. Good old Carol. Okay, so this is a Lorac palette. Oh, this looks like a fucking basic bitch palette. Yes, yes. I really do like Lorac shadows. I think they have fantastic quality. The only thing is, they're a sleepy brand. They're a sleepy brand. There's nothing really exciting about them. The packaging always is like, it's nice. You know, it's like going to a buffet and you're like, ooh, look, there's like filet mignon. And then there's like a sad piece of chicken. That's what Lorac is a sad piece of chicken. Like, you know it's gonna be fine. It's gonna get the job done. It's gonna be a little dry, but you're just gonna put gravy on it anyway. But at the end of the day, you're gonna pick the filet mignon. You know what I mean? So I'm excited for this palette just because this, this is a basic bitch palette, kids. Look at this. I am fucking falling asleep at the table looking at this, but I love it. I do. I don't think I've ever seen this palette before. So this is the Meraki palette, and this is the artist edition. Okay, so let's see, what exactly is this? From the time Lorac, aka Carol, was founded in 1995. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe their aesthetic is still stuck in the 90s. Maybe that's what it is. The brand has approached makeup artistry with the concept of Meraki in mind. Again, don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Doing things with soul, creativity, love, and devotion. The first ever artist edition palette was created with a selection of 25 of Lorac's most loved shades by artists around the world. 25 shades from neutral browns to glistening golds and soft mauves that blend effortlessly onto the lid and lasting without creasing. So this retails for $45. It's, yeah, I mean, she's pretty. She's very pretty. It kind of is giving me a little bit of soft glam vibes. They feel good. These feel good. Oh, are you kidding me, bitch? Are you kidding me? Oh, that's nice. Oh, this might, oh, what, bitch? Excuse me. Carol, do we not see how fucking blinding that is? Goddamn, man. I say a lot of weird shit. Totally recognize that. That is fantastic, though. Okay, wait, I just want to do one more matte The mattes are so creamy and buttery, but the shimmers though are like, that's fuckable right there. Haven't you missed me? Jesus. You know when you just touch something and you're just like, this is it. This is the moment. This is the moment. She is a fucking basic ass bitch. She is definitely the geeky girl with glasses, and once you remove them, she is hot. This is that palette. That is fantastic. Oh my God. Okay. I'm definitely going to be using this in a video in the future because I think we need to show Lorac some love. We have to. They can't be the wallflower of the makeup community. We need to bring them back. We need to give them love. And I'm gonna start on a crusade starting today. We're gonna give this brand some love because this shit, I don't know why I did that, there's nothing there. This shit is amazing and I'm in love, and fuck me. Oh, okay, I need to touch one more. It's just the shimmers are so absolutely blinding. Like, who gave you the power to do this? Oh my God, that's just so pretty. Ah, okay, let me wash my hands, but like, yes to this. I love the box already just for this. The next product is from Patrick Ta. This is actually kind of exciting. I never tried this before. This is the Major Volume Mascara. An intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara. Custom double cut brush combs through and loads your lashes for the ultimate volume, lift, and definition. So this retails for $29. This is a new brand to BoxyCharm. Let's see. I don't think I've heard, oh, this is pretty. I don't think I've ever heard anything about this mascara, but I mean, she's cute. You know, she looks nice. We'll see how she does in a future video, but I do love Patrick Ta, so I'm excited to try this one out. I think I chose this one because this one kind of actually looks familiar. So this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I fucking don't know. This is a cream blush. I think this is called Soft Yet Powerful. Ooh, okay, and this is in soft pink. Oh, that's cute. This is a cute bitch right here. Oh, that's cute. Look at her. Give your cheeks and lips a pinch of color. Irresistibly silky, this weightless buildable cream blush formula blends into the skin seamlessly and lasts all day long. Bonus, it contains hyaluronic acid. This retails for $22. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, the formula feels really nice and hydrating on the skin. I don't know if my lights are blowing this out. Definitely looked more pigmented when I first put it down, but then as I like swatch it out, kind of goes more into like a nice like soft pink, almost as if like someone like pinched your cheeks, which is the kind of pink that I like. I like to look like a little rosy, not super garish. This looks really, really pretty. And I like the formula. I'm curious to know if this is going to set down though, or if this is something that you kind of need to put powder on top of it. So I kind of keep massaging it into the skin and it kind of disappears a little bit, doesn't it? A little bit. Let me see if I keep, I mean, it's there-ish, but the more I kind of rub it in, kind of disappears. Huh, all right, so we're gonna give this bitch a whirl. Because it could totally just be me and my little sausage fingers. I could be the problem. I am known to be a problem. So let's see, but I do like the color. I think it's really pretty. I'm kind of hoping that this is gonna be a clear winner because I wanna like Dominique Cosmetics, I really do. But I feel like the more stuff I try from them, I'm like, I'm not really feeling it, but this looks nice. I still want to get the concealer. I still have to buy that. But if this goes well, then I will definitely pick up another color as well as the concealer to try. But this is cute though. The next product we have is from Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. Actually, this kind of came at a really good time because I was thinking about picking this one back up. Trusty box cutter here. I want to say I think I got this from like the Trend Mood box, and this shit lasts for a very long time. Like I had a lot of product in it. Wound up getting kind of close to the bottom. Really hard to get it out, so I had to throw it away in New York, and I actually wanted to repurchase this, but I'm glad that I didn't because I got it in a BoxyCharm. So this is the Plum Hyaluronic Serum. This retails for $42. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. I love this shit. Like I said, the only thing that is like the design flaw of it is that the pump, for whatever reason, doesn't really reach. Actually, this one looks better. Maybe they redid this because now it looks like the pump part, or like the little plastic tube where the product dispenses, hits the bottom. The other one that I had was a little bit short. So I felt like I was constantly jerking the bottle off to try to get it out and it would never come out. So yeah, it looks like it's actually much better this time. I'm excited. I love this stuff. Glow Recipe, I swear, everything I've ever tried for them has always been fantastic. So the next product, this is a new brand to Boxy. This is from Sandbar Beauty. And this is a Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. Sheer and creamy intensifying eyeshadow base that adds staying power and full pigment richness to your eyeshadow, resulting in high definition, crease defying color and long lasting wear. So this retails for $28, which I feel kind of is like a little expensive for a primer, right? Okay. I often think that eyeshadow primers are bullshit. I tend to use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I do like the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas base, but I often find myself really reaching for NARS more. This has a white base. It looks nice, you know. It feels a little greasy though. So, I'm kind of curious like how eyeshadows would kind of go on top of that, but we're gonna give this a whirl and see if it works out. But yeah, I have no expectations for this product. Like I said, I usually find this stuff to be bullshit, so let's see if this will prove me wrong. And then last but not least, we have the Shadow Moon, and this is a new brand also from BoxyCharm, and these are reusable shadow shields. This is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and winged eyeliner for a perfect application. It doubles as an under eye cooler to help soothe puffy morning eyes, and if you cool in the fridge or freezer to depuff your under eye area, it's designed to grip, so no adhesive is required. Oh shit, okay. Like this actually has some weight to it. Kind of surprised about that. It's very silicone-y. It kind of reminds me of something that I feel like I would be using for baking. It's kind of interesting, but wait a second. How the fuck do you put this on? It's weird because it says no adhesive. Okay, I just tried I just tried to stick it to my face. And it did not stay to my face. Hold on, let me try this one more time. Yeah, no. Like, how the fuck do you use this? It doesn't even make any sense. So wait. Let me make sure I'm reading this correctly. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and winged eyeliner for perfect application, and it doubles as an under eye cooler to help soothe puffy morning eyes. It's designed with a grip, so no adhesive is needed. I'm gonna call bullshit on this because I just tried to stick it to my face, okay? We're gonna stick it to my skin, all right? Let's, how am I supposed to, how the fuck am I supposed to put this on? Oh, okay. I am not reading, like these instructions are bullshit because I think this literally just says, hold the Shadow Moon under your eye while applying eye makeup, okay? It's, this made it sound like you could glue, okay, this copy right here, BoxyCharm, you made it sound like I could glue this to my fucking face without adhesive, okay? According to Shadow Moon, you can't, okay? It just says you need to hold the product. And here I am thinking that it would stick. That's kind of interesting. You know, I'm not someone that does wing liners, one, because I suck at it, and two, I have very hooded eyes, so it looks kind of dumb on me. But I'm kind of curious though if I can kind of try it out though with that. Can I depuff? Yeah, I mean, I can technically depuff with this. Okay. Help you achieve perfect eyeshadow and winged eyeliner application. I'm gonna try this, but I'm gonna try this for like winged liner to see if, I don't know, maybe I can make like baby wings and it doesn't look stupid on my face or whatever. But yeah, BoxyCharm, way to fucking try to fool me in thinking that this was something that it's not. Interesting. Okay. So this is June's box. Pleasantly surprised. Really surprised with this. Very happy with it. Love the eyeshadow palette. Looks fucking phenomenal. Can't wait to try the Patrick Ta mascara. Eyeshadow primer, not super excited about it, so I'll kind of leave it over here. Love the glow recipe. Cream blush. You know, I keep going back and forth because I feel like it definitely rubbed away quickly, but that could have been my own errors. So I am excited to play with this, but I am apprehensive about it, so kind of leave it in the middle. And then we have this Shadow Moon, which I'm gonna leave in the middle because I almost was gonna put it over here, but I kind of like it for the idea that I can maybe perfect how to do wing liner better on my face. So I like that. So this is the only product that I was kind of meh about. Who cares? Everything else, totally worth the value of the box. Like, I'm just actually pleasantly surprised that this was a really good box. And I actually like the shit that was in it. And I feel like the tides are turning, and I will talk about Ipsy in next week's video. But I am really a fan of what's kind of going on at BoxyCharm right now. Yeah, okay, we had a bumpy start in the beginning. They sent me old shit. But they are regaining my trust and love because if they keep coming out with stuff like this, I'm gonna be a happy little clam. And this is coming from someone who has a large collection. Here are things that I don't have, so that's kind of nice. Anyway, let me know down below if you do get BoxyCharm and if this was your box or if you got some other variation. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And I look forward to next month. yeah, this was really fucking good. All right, on that note, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really nasty, really disgusting garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I just want to gobble you all up, and so you can live inside my belly and we can be one. If you want to know what is on my nails, joke's on me, I have no idea. I got my nails done because I was going to New York, and now I'm going back to New York, so I'm gonna have to redo my nails, but this was just like a nice orange number. It's gel. I don't know, but I will say that whatever this polish is sucks anyway because it's starting to come up. So whatever it is, I don't recommend. I just don't know what it is. With that said, I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye.